Today we're going to be learning how to run a simple Hello World file in Java using the Mac OS operating system for the first time. So for those who have no idea how to do this, this is a great video to check out. So let's go to our file and we can see Hello World. We have a simple main function. Inside we have the Hello World string being printed out. And this is in a Java prac folder that is located in my computer. What I want to do is I want to try to run this using my operating system. So what we do is we go to the terminal, and you can see over here I had the commands already done, but I'm just going to try to explain what I did. First of all, make sure you have Java installed. If you do not have Java installed, you can install using Homebrew. So right now you can see I have Java installed, and also you need to have Homebrew installed. And this is a package manager which is used to download different dependencies and files within the Mac OS operating system. But you can see over here now the Homebrew version might be a different way to actually check out how to find if you have Homebrew installed. But you can see here that the runtime environment here is mentioned as Homebrew. There's a command that you can definitely check. Command to check if Homebrew is installed, and then this command is normally brew hyphen version, so which this is gonna help you. So if I just say brew hyphen version, I don't know why it's two times hyphen, but yeah, that's the Homebrew version as well. Now to get this all installed, you need Homebrew, and Homebrew you have to install as well using a particular command. So that command is gonna be here, which I'm gonna show you. I'll go all the way here to the beginning, and this is the exact command that you need to install if you don't have brew installed. So it's just a SSL, and it's going to install that for you. After that, what we want to do is you go to the next step, which is creating your Java file, and you already have that. Once you have that, you can just run this. But one problem that would arise is that when you have Homebrew installed, you need OpenJDK installed, right? You need the Java runtime environment. To run that, you first install Homebrew. Once you're done with the Homebrew installation, then you run the JDK installation, which is open brew install open JDK. So just like this, you have imagine you have brew installed already using that command that I told you, right? And then you verified it using this command. Um, Sorry. So if I say brew hyphen version, and let's say brew hyphen version, and then once you have that, you can just say brew install, and then we have open JDK, which is the Java runtime environment, and then it should install that for you. But you want to add that, making sure that that's also linked and properly configured. So one thing before even that is making sure your Homebrew is into the path. That's very important even before installing the JDK. So just run this command. After that, run this command. Um, Based off of your folder here. So mine is going to be hire car, but yours could be different. And then we have this one right here. These three commands will actually configure Homebrew to your path, and then you can just verify the version. Versions were working, and then you can install the Java and runtime environment. After running, you have to make sure that you can show this virtual machine into your operating system. Verify the Java installation using Java-version. Again, one problem arises with that command, and just to fix it, since it could be annoying with Mac, not seeing it properly. Java is installed, but Mac OS can't see it due to security concerns. Just run this sudo ln hyphen sfn slash opt slash homebrew slash opt slash openjdk slash libexec slash openjdk.jdk, and then slash library slash java slash java virtual machine slash openjdk.jdk. Once you do that, you enter your password of your computer, and then you can have Java version installed successfully. Normally it would look something like this. So after that, you can see over here my OpenJDK version is 25.0.2. Okay, and that is the date of when it was created. And now what we want to do is we want to basically show you how to run this hello world file. So you can also use the cat command, and this is just gonna so if you use the cat command and then tab and then say Java, it's just gonna show you the contents of the file. And what we want to do is there's a percentage at the end. I think it's a white space character. Now what you want to do is run it, and the way to run it is Java C, and then we say hello world.java. That should compile it for us. It's gonna give us a byte file, which is this hello world.class. Now what you want to do is you want to run Java hello world, and then that should run your hello world problem. I hope this was a very helpful video for those who were struggling, and let me know what you guys thought about it. Any questions or concerns can be left in the comment section, and peace out, and stay tuned for more videos.